Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the clutch motor in an LG washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, and a socket wrench with a 10mm head. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new clutch motor. The clutch motor moves the shifter lever and the coupling, switching the washer from agitating to spinning. The main reason for the clutch motor to be replaced is if its electrical windings are damaged or the gears are stripped, causing the washer not to agitate or not to spin. We're removing the rear access panel. In order to do that, we need to take out the 4 Phillips screws. So I'm going to use a Phillips screwdriver and I'm going to take them out. If you noticed, I'm wearing gloves. This is because of the sharp metal. So I'm going to grab it on both sides, bend it slightly and push it down, and then we can release the top. Then we can pull up the bottom and take out the access panel. Alright, so we're going to place a support on the floor and put a towel on it so it won't damage the washer. And then we can tilt it and place it on the box here. So this is the old clutch motor we're going to take out and replace it with a new one. I'm going to start with disconnecting this plug because it's on the way. And then technically I'm supposed to disconnect this plug, but unfortunately it's jammed in there. So we need to remove the motor first and then we can disconnect the plug. The motor is held in place with 2 10mm bolts. I'm going to use this socket wrench with a 10mm head, and we're going to unscrew that. Now we need to free this lever, so I'm going to turn it around and put it on an angle and push it out. And now we can try to unplug this motor. I'm going to use that small flathead screwdriver to pry it out because it's stuck. Press this tab. Okay. Now it's out. This is the old clutch motor next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so we start with placing this lever into this puller lever and twist it around, put it in, make sure it's engaged, and then we're gonna install the motor. So we have pins here and 2 holes here. So we're gonna put the pin on and install the motor in. Then we're gonna put these couple of bolts in. I'm gonna start manually. And I'm going to use this 10mm socket wrench. And I'm going to secure it. And then I'm going to connect this plug. And then the small one. So I'm going to put the washer back on the ground on its feet. And we're going to remove the box and the towel. And we're going to install the rear access panel. Slide it up first under these two tabs on the top. Then we're going to bend a little bit the bottom. Place it in these two slots here. Alright, at this point we can secure that access panel with the 4 Phillips screws. Plug the washer in and make sure it runs good. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.